Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The human nose can detect more than 1 trillion smells. The black mamba is considered to be the fastest snake in the world. Kim Jong-un killed his own uncle by throwing him naked into a cage with 100 plus stray dogs. Having a younger brother or sister can raise your blood pressure by more than 5%. When offered a new pen to write with, 97% of all people will write their own name. The brain is more active at night than during the day. On Valentine's Day in Japan, South Korea and Taiwan, only women gifts as a sign of affection. The hottest inhabited place on the earth is Ethiopia, Dalol. In the USA, ransom payments to kidnappers are tax deductible. Clinomania is the excessive desire to stay in bed all day. Cats have 32 muscles in each of the outer ear and spends about 66% of its life in sleep. Black and yellow are the two colors with the strongest impact. Only female mosquitoes bite because they need blood, not for food but to produce eggs. If you live in Brooklyn, you can rent a mom for $40 per hour. Kashmiri saffron is the most expensive spice in the world. About 12% of people in the world can only dream in black and white. Sahara was most dangerous place in Earth's history 100 million years ago. Thomas Edison invented an electric pen in 1876 that was later adapted to become the first tattoo machine in 1891. Sand is the second most widely used natural resource in the world after fresh water. Spartans were so rich that nobody had to work. White chocolate is not chocolate, it's just a mixture of sugar, milk, vanilla, lecithin and cocoa butter. Made in China stickers are actually made in Korea. Shark kills 12 people every year while humans kills 11,417 sharks every year. Blood in our body travels about 19,000 km in just one day. In Italy, there is a wine fountain that gives free wine 24/7. The baobab tree can hold up to 20,000 liters of water in its trunk. The squirrel uses its tail as an umbrella. If we cut off a snail's eye, a new eye will grow. Like a fingerprints, no two zebras have same strips. Every ton of paper that is recycled saves 17 trees. Only 8% of the world's currency is physical money, the rest only exists on computers. Human babies are 75% water at birth, a banana is 74% water. A bolt of lightning contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. Sharks are the only animals that never get sick. Japan, also known as the epicenter of technology, has the majority of industrial robots in operation today. It takes the average McDonald's employee for 7 months to earn what their CEO makes in 1 hour. If you stop time, you won't be able to see anything because light photons will freeze too and they won't hit your retina. Roughly 50% of iPhone users are used to cracked screens. A wild dog is the most successful predator with a kill rate of 85%. This photo of astronaut Charlie Dukes Miley has been on the moon for the last 43 years. Eating pistachios before bed can help with better sleep as they are one of the melatonin-rich foods. In 1969, Willie Nelson ran into a burning house to save his guitar and a pound of cannabis. These are the satellites currently in orbit. Red are active, white are inactive. Did you know 11% of people are left-handed? Japan is the world's most earthquake-prone country. Women who masturbate regularly are more likely to experience orgasm during intercourse. The tissue that surrounds the testicles and penis is more durable than the tissue that surrounds the brain. Thanks for watching.